This stuff is insane. This is the mold stain remover seal and grout. I like to use it in my shower, but you can use it in a couple different places. You can use it in like a washing machine. Honestly, anywhere that you have mold, anywhere that you have grout, caulk, any of that stuff. So I just got a new bottle. I think it comes in, 7 ounces. And one of the main things to make sure you do is follow the directions. Directions are on the back, super simple to follow. I'm gonna actually go clean the grout in my shower, and it is disgusting. So let me take you along to show you how well this stuff works. Okay, I told you it was really gross. I haven't done this in a super long time. So you can see that is all filled up in mold. Step one is obviously to put the lid on, or take the lid off, and then you just squirt a generous amount. You want to make sure that your surface is clean. Like, so I'm doing my shower, so I just patted it dry with a paper towel, and then I do a generous amount on it, and then literally that's it. So I'm going to just do that section here so you can see. You're going to let it dry. I usually will wait for a few hours, especially when it's this disgusting. I let it sit on as long as I can until it's hardened, and then we'll come back in a couple hours and show you how well it works. All right, you guys, we are back with the shower update. I am the most amazed. Like, I love that stuff. I can't believe how clean it got our shower. Obviously, like, our shower is still kind of gross. I need to clean down here, but all I was focused on was the edging and the caulking, and look at the difference. That is insane. It was literally black before. Like, my shower is still kind of gross, but literally 100% better. I am so amazed by that. And this is without any scrubbing. So like if I go in and scrub, then it'll even be a little bit better than this. But what? Literally, do you remember? It was black. So once it hardens, you just wipe it off. I used just like a washcloth that I was going to throw away, and then I'm going to rinse it with water. But I am so happy. So happy. You could even do a second round of it if you're not pleased with it. But like, I don't even need to. Look how great that is.